So this is a 1963 Dodge Polara convertible that I've been tasked with restoring. Well, I got got the body shell, just a shell, and I've had to basically restore everything on it. The owner does upholstery, so he's going to do the interior. I've had the dash painted, restored the wiring, got a new brake and gas pedal, this door is off a two-door hardtop, so it had clear glass here, and this one tinted, but it's all scratched, so I had new glass made for that. This and the quarter window. The other windows are okay. Fortunately, they're manual windows. This is a 383 car, obviously with power steer. I rebuilt the push button torque light and fixed up all the wiring and kind of restored all the relays and switches and stuff. A new power booster, master cylinder, bloody hell, and put a new bag on it. We won't say what sort of car it's from, but it now has genuine parts written on it. And it's a bellows type, which means that under the dash there's a foot pedal here with a wee bellows on it that you push. Been squirted. There's no windscreen in it. So I rebuilt the entire front suspension, all new bushes and balls, painted it in black Por 15. I did that a while ago and rebuilt the brakes. There's the guy spent many, I've just put the panel in here. The guy spent many thousands of dollars having the body fixed because it was rusted out. Yeah. So I've had to clean up all those boot locks and polished all the stainless. It was all damaged, so I had to beat the stainless out. Done this one here. I've done this as best I can, but oh god, panel beaten stainless is a bugger. Put new headlights in it because they dip the wrong way. They dip for American roads. So new headlights to dip the right way for as we drive on the left hand side in New Zealand. Yeah. Sandblasted the horns and painted them in black Por 15. So, yep. So this piece here is a way getting re-chromed, and I rebuilt the diff, springs, had everything sandblasted, painted it in Por 15, new seals. Anyway, So the engine's away being rebuilt, and it's going to be painted in original turquoise. Yeah, so that's about it so far. The windscreen's going in after Christmas. It's brand new double tint windscreen. Oh well, it's got these are blue tinted windows. Quarter windows aren't in because the little chrome pieces that go across the inside here were corroded, so they're away getting re-chromed. There's a fair bit of re-chroming done on it. Bumper bars are away getting re-chromed. Grille is getting re-anodised. I've got to put all that together. One park light was cracked, so I managed to get another complete surround and park light out of a wreck. That's about it, really. Can't tell you much more until I get it a bit further. If we get the engine in and the bumper bar's on, then it goes back to the owner, who, as I said, is an upholsterer, and we've got a brand new roof. New roof just here. Yes, it's a black roof, and here's an old Valiant automatic gearbox that I'm in the process of rebuilding. So I had the air cleaner was all smashed in, so I had it panel beated out, and I've painted that. Steering column, I had it in, but there's a little rubber doobry thing here that was split, so I took it apart again, having a new one fitted, arriving. Steering wheel was completely destroyed, so I repaired it and had it painted in a sort of a dirty pearl with the off black, I guess you'd call it, the same colour as the dashboard. And I don't know what to do about the dash binnacle. So I got a guy who does wrap, and he put a bit of chrome wrap on it here. So I think I'll just paint satin black in here and highlight it with silver, because I set it up to be re-chromed to a place that does plastic chroming handles for anyway, so I'll think about it in a minute. And they said it was too dirty to re-chrome. Oh, they could have cleaned it up, but never mind. I've had it cleaned. Okay, anyway, they do plastic chroming, and I wanted that plastic chrome, but no, unfortunately not. That's about it, really. I've got a brand new alternator, factory alternator, and a new starter motor, $150 each, brand new. I couldn't get them repaired for that. So these people that make chrome handles for coffins, I sent that up there, and they said it was too filthy to re-chrome. They do it like in a vacuum thing. So I'll do something with it. They have the Speedo rebuilt, and the clock's away getting rebuilt. That was actually chrome, you know, that same as that, but I painted it silver because all the chrome had gone. That's about it. When I get a bit further on, I'll do another video. It's quite a long wheelbase on these Dodgers. So I've got So I've got a 62 Dodge Dart, 2-door hard top, done 53,000 miles since new. But I don't use that for a pattern, I use my 63 Plymouth Fury, because that's a 63 Dodge. So the Fury, looking at it, I'm able to look under the bonnet and see where all the wires go and stuff like that. So I'm able to know exactly where all these go. Yeah, so it's handy. It's a 318, and the Dart is a 318, but it's a 4-barrel, which in this little country I hadn't seen before. So I pulled this engine out and freshened it. Well, I didn't take it apart, I just put gaskets and seals on it. Yeah, so it's a 4-barrel Carter. The windscreen got broken in the container, so I had to have a new one flown out. It's quite expensive, but never mind. Same windscreen on the 62 Dart, the 63 Plymouth, and the 63 Polara, which is good. Oops, I didn't realise I was semi-naked as a reflection in the glass. Never mind. I'm just an old bastard, I don't care. Anyway, I'm able to use the 63 Plymouth as a pattern to know where everything goes on the Dodge, the 63 Convertible. So that's it so far. I've lived here 20 years and it's been pretty good really, except now someone's built a house next door and that house goes up 150 feet up the hill. It's disgusting. Oh well, the end of an era. Reflecting on the... Yep, that's it really. Goodbye.